Solving rational equations by using least common denominator. These are the following steps in solving a rational equation by using LCD or least common denominator. First, write the original equation. Second, get the LCD or your least common denominator. Third, multiply each side by LCD. Fourth, simplify. And fifth, solve for the value of the solution. Example number 1. Find the solution of 5 over x plus 7 over 4 is equal to negative 9 all over x. For step 1, we need to write the given rational equation. Second step, we need to find for the value of your least common denominator. For us to get our LCD, we list down all the denominators that you can see in our given equation. We have x, 4, and x. In order for us to get the LCD, we need to factor out all our given denominators. X cannot be factored out anymore, so we will just write x. The same through with 4 and x. And then we will identify those common factors that we have. As you can see, we do have x as common factors. What will we do here is to get rid one of them. So we will remove one x, and then we will get the product of our factors. 4 times x is equal to 4x. So our LCD will be 4x. Step number 3, we need to multiply our factor or LCD with each sides of our equation, because whatever is done with the right side of the equation should also be done with the left side of the equation. So we'll multiply our LCD 4x by 5 over x plus 7 over 4. And we also multiply it to the other side of the equation, 4x times negative 9 all over x. We will apply distributive property of multiplication here. We multiply 4x times 5 all over x plus 4x times 7 all over 4. The same with the other side of the equation. That will be 4x times negative 9 all over x. As you can see, we do have x and x as the same or common, so we can divide this out because this will be equal to 1. We will then multiply 4 times 5. 4 times 5 is equal to 20. Plus, we also have common factor here, so we can divide out 4 and 4 because 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. So 7 times x is equal to 7x. Equals, we do have common factor here. We divide them out. X divided by x is equal to 1. And we multiply 4 times negative 9, which is equal to negative 36. And for our fourth and fifth steps, we simplify and solve for the value of our solution. Again, we need to move all the constants to the other side of the equation, and the variable should be on the other side of the equation. In order to do that, we need to subtract 20 to both sides of our equation to get rid of 20 here, because 20 minus 20 is equal to 0. So we will cancel that out. Write 7x is equal to negative 36 minus 20 is equal to negative 56. Now, what will we do to get rid of 7 here? We need to divide both sides of the equation by 7, or whatever is the numerical coefficient of our variable x here. Because 7 divided by 7 will give us 1, x. There is no need for you to write 1 anymore. We just write x is equal to negative 56 divided by 7 is negative 8. And this is now the value of our solution. To check whether your answer is correct or not, we just plug in the value of x with the original equation. We have 5 divided by the value of x, which is equal to negative 8, plus 7 over 4 is equal to negative 9. Plug in the value of x, negative 8. We will do the long method in adding fractions, or you can use your calculators later on to find the correct answer. So let's figure out if this is equal. Let's find the LCD, or least common denominator, of negative 8 and 4. That is negative 8. This is 5 plus negative 14. Is it equal to 9 over 8? We'll see. 5 plus negative 14 is equal to negative 9 all over negative 8, which is equal to negative 9 all over negative 8. Therefore, our solution is correct.